Wow, look at these designs. They look amazing. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to guess where I did them. Did you get it right? Were you thinking Canva? Congratulations! I created them in Canva. In this video, I'm going to help you understand and better appreciate the new changes that have taken place within this application. Canva has been around for over 10 years. It's an Australian-owned app and they have several constituents within it. The free version of the app has a very wide and useful arsenal of tools that you can use to help you take your designs and creations to the next level. I learned about the app about 3 years ago through a friend of mine. Back then I didn't take content creation as seriously as I am taking it right now, and I always thought that using something like this to create posts and videos was taken away from your ability to do so as an individual. But let me tell you, after using Canvas for some time, I am convinced that this app is a must-have for everybody who is planning or thinking of entering into this space. Canva has integrated a lot of features, but notably so the AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, and it's designed to make content creation a bit easier by making repetitive processes more simpler to handle and automate. Now, Canva is not alone here with respect to integrating AI into its functionality. Other applications have taken on AI, and even phone companies, laptop companies, and persons who make technology are looking into the possibility of integrating AI within their systems. I'm going to talk about a few of Canva's AI integrations in this video as well. So first up, let's talk about the Magic Write feature. If you look at my screen, you'll see a little video showing you how it works. Basically, you tell Canva what you want to create content about in the little description box you see, and Canva will generate something for you. That is so much fun and time saving, because there are times when we don't know what to write, but we have the idea that we want to bring across. Canva is here to help you with that. This brainstorming feature is what you also notice within YouTube's inspiration tab, and you can try it out for yourself one day when you have the time. Another AI feature that I took note of in Canva is the voice assistant. It was just released in the beta program which I'm a part of, but I think that it is something you should try out once you have been using the app for a while. So this voice assistant will allow you to speak directly to Canva via your microphone, and you can tell Canva what you'd like to do or have it do for you, and it will generate something for you. Based on the output, you can tweak whatever you want to say so that the output you get is more aligned with what you want to create. Like I said, this is in its beta stage of development, so it's not perfected as yet. So bear with Canva as they work out the kinks to better make this component a success. Another feature that I like about Canva is its filter section, and you may have to get the pro version to fully experience and appreciate this, but for what I have experienced so far, the filters are very good. I've used this one called duotone, which makes it possible to change the color of any object you use in the app. So it could be a picture of something you saw on the internet, a screen grab you took 5 minutes ago. Just drag it into the app and click on the object you want to make changes to. It will allow you to use this feature easily. You can scroll through the various effects that is present and pick the one that best suits the mood or occasion you want to create content for. So that's a wrap of what Canva is doing re its AI development. And if you haven't used Canva yet, this is a good time to try out the app. You won't be disappointed and you can learn something in the process and go share it with your friends. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.